Hello, U.S. history students, and welcome to the week 3 quiz. I'll be reading the questions and the answer options to you. This is a short quiz with only 5 questions. And at the end of your quiz, you will want to click submit quiz so it shows correctly in your grade book. Question 1, which of the following was a reason some Americans were in support of American imperialism? Immigration needed to be restricted. The U.S. needed to maintain their isolation from other countries. The U.S. had a need for more natural resources and new markets to sell goods. The U.S. should not expand beyond its current borders. Number 2, all of these are reasons why people were against American imperialism, except people wanted the U.S. to be competitive with other world powers. Imperialism goes against classic American principles and violated the Constitution. Imperialism hurt American workers by causing an influx of cheap labor. Some feared an increase of non-white people to American territory. Question number 3. Which of the following did not lead to the start of the Spanish-American War? Yellow journalism, explosion of the U.S. battleship Maine, desire of the U.S. to protect its investments in Cuba, Spain invaded U.S. territory. Number 4, as part of America's imperialistic goal to expand and gain more land and resources, what territories did the U.S. acquire as a result of the Spanish-American War? Cuba and Guam, Guam and Puerto Rico, the Philippines and Cuba, Cuba and Puerto Rico. Question number 5. What was the main reason why the United States annexed Hawaii in 1898? To support the Hawaiian monarchy and preserve its independence, to gain access to valuable natural resources like gold and silver, to spread democracy and protect U.S. economic interests, to stop European countries from colonizing Hawaii. Good luck with your quiz. And again, make sure to click submit quiz at the end.